ഓം ശ്രീ പരമാത്മനെ നമ. അഥ ഷഷ്ടോധ്യായ. ചാപ്റ്റർ 6. ശ്രീ ഭഗവാനുവാച. അനാശ്രിത കർമ്മഫലം കാര്യം കർമ്മ കരോതി യ സ സന്യാസീ ച യോഗീ ച ന നിരഗ്നിർ ചാക്രിയ. Sri Bhagavan said, "He who does his duty without expecting the fruit of actions is a sannyasi, Sankhya yogi, and a yogi, Karma yogi, both. He is no sannyasi, renouncer, who has merely renounced the sacred fire. Even so, he is no yogi, who has merely given up all activity. Yam sannyasamidhi prahuryogam tam vidhi pandava na hyasanyasta sankalpo yogi bhavati kaschana. Arjuna, you must know that what they call sannyasa is no other than yoga, for none becomes a yogi who has not abandoned his sankalpas, thoughts of a worldly desired, arurukshormu ne yogam karma കാരണമുച്യതേ. യോഗാരൂഢസ്യ തസ്യൈവ ശാമ കാരണമുച്യതേ. To the contemplative who desires to attain karma yoga, selfless action is said to be the means. For the same man, when he is established in yoga, absence of all sankalpas, thoughts of worldly desires is said to be the way to blessedness. Yada hi nendriyardeshu na karma sunujjade sarva sankalpa sannyasi yogarudasta dochyade. When a man ceases to have any attachment for the objects of senses and for actions, and has renounced all sankalpas, thoughts of worldly desires, is said to have attained yoga. Uddaredatmanam natma mavasadayet Atmaiva hyatmano bandhuratmaiva vivuratmana. One should lift oneself by one's own efforts, and should not degrade oneself, for one's own self is one's friend, and one's own self is one's enemy. Bandhuratma atma nastasya yenatmaiva atmana jida anatmanastu shatrutve vartedatmaiva shatruvat. One's own self is the friend of the self, by whom the lower self, consisting of the mind, senses, and body, has been conquered. Even so, the very self of him who has not conquered his lower self behaves antagonistically like an enemy. Jidatmana prashantasya paramatma samahida Sidoshna Sugadukeshu Tada Manavamanayo, the Supreme Spirit is rooted in the knowledge of the self-controlled man whose mind is perfectly serene in the midst of pairs of opposites such as cold and heat, joy and sorrow, and honor and ignominy. Jnana Vijnana Truptatma Kudasto Vijayendriya Yukta Ityukte Yogi Samanoštashmaga Anjana. The yogi whose mind is sated with Jnana, knowledge of Nirguna Brahma, and Vijnana, knowledge of manifest divinity, who is unmoved under any circumstances, whose senses are completely under control, and to whom earth, stone, and gold are all alike, is spoken of as a God realized soul. Sugrin Mitraryudasina Madhya Asta Dveshya Bandhushu Sadhushvabi Ja Pabeshu Samabuddhi Vishishyade. He who looks upon well-wishers, friends and foes, neutrals as well as mediators, inimicals, relatives, the virtuous and the sinful with equanimity stands supreme. Yogi Yunjid Sadada Matma Anam Ragasi Stira Yagagi Yadachittatma Nirashir Parigraha. Living in seclusion all by himself, the yogi who has controlled his mind and body and is free from desires and void of possessions should constantly engage his mind in meditation. Shujau deshe apradishtapya stira masana matmana Nyatritridam Nyadi Nijam Chaila Jinagushotaram, having firmly set his seat in a spot which is free from dirt and other impurities, with a sacred kusa grass, a deer skin, and a cloth spread thereon, one upon the other, kusha below, deer skin in the middle, and a cloth uppermost, neither very high nor very low. Tatrayagram mana krutva yada chittendriya kriya upa vishyasane yunjadyoga matma vishuddhaye. And occupying that seat, concentrating the mind and controlling the functions of the mind and senses, he should practice yoga for self-purification. Samam kaya shirogrivam dharayanna chalam stira samrekshya nasigagram swam dishaschana Valoka N. Holding the trunk, head and neck straight and steady, remaining firm and fixing the gaze on the tip of his nose without looking in other directions. Prashantatma Vigadabi Brahma Chari Vride Stida Mana Samyamya Machito yukta asid matparaha. Fame in the woe of a complete chastity and fearless, keeping himself perfectly calm and with the mind held in restraint and fixed on me, the vigilant yogi should sit absorbed in me. Yunjanevam sadatmanam yogi niyadamanasa shantim nirvana paramam matsamsta madhigechadi. Thus, constantly applying his mind to me, the yogi of a disciplined mind attains everlasting peace, consisting of a supreme bliss which, which abides in me. Natya snadastu yogo sti na chaikanda manas snada na chadi swapnashilasya jagrado naiva Arjuna, this yoga is neither for him who overeats nor for him who observes a complete fast. It is neither for him who is given to too much sleep, nor even for him who is ceaselessly awake. Yuktahara vikarasya yukta chestasya karmasu yukta swapna avabodha bodhasya yogo bhavadi dukkha. Yoga, which rids one of woe, is accomplished only by him who is regulated in diet and recreation, regulated in performing actions, and regulated in sleep and wakefulness. Yada vinyadam chittamatmanyeva vidishtade nisprika sarvakamebhyo yukta ityuchade tada. When the mind which is thoroughly disciplined gets riveted on God alone, then the person who is free from yearning for all enjoyments is said to be established in yoga. Yada divo nivadasto nengade sobhama smrada yogino yada chittasya yunjado yoga matmana. As a flame does not flicker in a windless place, such is stated to be the picture of the disciplined mind of the yogi practicing meditation on God. Yatra paramade chittam niruddham yoga sevaya yatra chaivatmanatmanam pashyannatmani tushyadi. The state in which the citta, mind stuff subdued through the practice of yoga, becomes completely tranquil, and in which realizing God through subtle reasoning purified by meditation on God, the soul rejoices only in God. Sugamatyandigam yatta buddhi grahya madi indriyam veti yatra na chaivayam sthidaschaladi tattvadaha. May in which the soul experiences the eternal and supersensuous joy which can be intuited only through the subtle and purified intellect, and wherein established the said yogi moves not from a truth to any account yam labdva chaparam lavam manyade nadi igam tada yasmin sthido na dukena gurunabi vijalyade, and having obtained which he does not reckon any other gain as greater than that, and established in which he is not shaken even by the heaviest of sorrows, tam vidya dukkha samyoga viyogam yoga sanjidam sa nischena yoktavyo yogoini nirvana chedas. The state called yoga, which is free from the contact of sorrow in the form of transmigration, should be known. Nay, this yoga should be resolutely practiced with an unwearied mind. Sankalpa prabhavanga mastyaktva sarvanasheshada manasaivendriya gramam viniyamya samandada. Completely renouncing all desires arising from sankalpas, thoughts of worldly desires, and fully restraining all the senses from all sides by the mind. Shanai Shanai Ruvar made the Buddhya Dhrudigrahidaya Atma Samstha Mana Kritvana Kinjadabi Chindayet. He should, through gradual practice, attain tranquility, and fixing the mind on God through reason, controlled by steadfastness, he should not think of anything else. Yado yado nischarati manaschala amastiram tadastado niyamyaida dhatna Nayeva Vasham Nayet, drawing back the restless and fidgety mind from all those objects after which it runs. He should repeatedly fix it on God. Prashanta Manasam Henam Yoginam Sugamukta Mam Uvairi Shandar Jasam Brahma Buddha Maklmasham. For to the yogi whose mind is a perfectly serene, who is a sinless, whose passion is subdued, and who is identified with the Brahma, the embodiment of a truth, knowledge and bliss, supreme happiness comes as a matter of course. Yunjannevam sadatmanam yogi vigada kalmasha sugena brahma samsparsha matyandam sugamasnude. The sinless yogi, thus uniting his self constantly with God, easily enjoys the eternal bliss of oneness with Brahma. Sarvabhuda Rastamatmanam Sarvabhudani Chatmani Ikshade Yoga Yuktatma Sarvatra Samadarshana. The yogi who is united in identity with the all-pervading infinite consciousness, whose vision everywhere is even beholds the self existing in all beings and all beings are assumed in the self. Yo mam pashyadi sarvatra sarvam cha mai pashyadi tasyagamna pranashyami sa cha mena pranashyadi. He who sees me, the universal self, present in all beings and all beings existing within me, he is never lost to me, nor am I ever lost to him. Sarvabhuta sthidam yo mam bhajatyega tvama sthida sarvada vartamanobi sa yogi mai vartade. The yogi who is established in union with me and worships me as a dwelling all beings as their very self, whatever activities he performs them in me. Atnobameyan sarvatra samam pashyadi Arjun Sugam va yadi va dukkam sa yogi paramomat. Arjuna, he who looks on all as one, on the analogy of his own self, and looks upon the joys and sorrows of all equally, such a yogi is deemed to be the highest of all. Arjunuvaja yogyam yogastvaya prokta samyena madhusudana yadasyagamna pashyami chanjalatvas-tadim stiram. Arjuna said, Krishna, owing to restlessness of mind, I do not perceive the stability of this yoga in the form of equanimity of which you have just spoken. Chanjalam hi mana Krishna pramadi balavadridam tasyakam nigraham manye vayo riva sadushkaram. For Krishna, the mind is very unsteady, turbulent, tenacious and powerful. Therefore, I consider it as difficult to control as the wind. Sri Bhagavan Vaja Asamshayam Mahabhago Mano Durnigraham Chalam Abhyasena tu Kaundeya Vairagyena Cha Grihyade. Sri Bhagavan said the mind is restless, no doubt, and difficult to curb, Arjuna, but it brought under control by repeated practice of meditation and by the exercise of dispassion, O son of Kundi. Asamyadatmana yogo dushprava yidi me madi vashyatmana tu Yudada Shakyo Va Tu Muba Ayada. Yoga is difficult of achievement by one whose mind is not subdued. By him, however, one who has the mind under one's control and is ceaselessly striving, it can be easily attained. Through practice, such is my conviction. Arjuna Vaja Ayadi Shraddhayobedo Yoga Chalida Manasa Aprapya Yoga Samsiddhim Gadi Krishna Gachadi. Arjuna said, Krishna, what becomes of the aspirant who, though endowed with faith, has not been able to subdue his passions, and whose mind is therefore diverted from yoga at the time of death, and who thus fails to reach perfection in yoga, God realization. Kachino Baya Vibrashta Stinnabhramiva Nashyadi Ladanya Samshaya Syasya Chetana Huba Padyade. Krishna, only you are capable to remove this doubt mind completely, for none other than you can dispel this doubt. Sri Bhagavan Vaja. Partha Naiveka Namutra Vinashastasya Vidyade. Naki Kalyana Kritkashchid Rgadim Tada Gachadi. Sri Bhagavan said, Arjuna, there is no fault for him either here or hereafter, for, O my beloved, none who strives for a self-redemption, example God realization, ever meets with the evil destiny. Prapya punyakridam lokanushitva shashwati sama sujinam srimadam gege yoga brishto vijayade. Such a person who has strayed from yoga obtains the higher worlds, heaven extra, to which men of meritorious deeds alone are entitled, and having resided there for innumerable years, takes a birth of a pious and prosperous parents. Adava yoginameva kule bhavati dhimadam edadvi durlabhataram loke janma yadidrisham. Or if he is possessed of dispassion, then not attaining to those regions, he is born in the family of enlightened yogis, but such a birth in this world is very difficult to obtain. Tatra tam buddhi samyogam lebade paurvadehigam yadadeja tado bhuya sasiddhau kurunandana. Arjuna, he automatically regains in that birth the latencies of even-mindedness of his previous birth, and through that he strives harder than ever for perfection in the form of God realization. Purvabhyasena te naiva hriyade hyavashobi sa jijnasuravi yogasya shabda brahma nivartade. The other one who takes birth in a rich family, though under the sway of his senses, feels drawn towards God by force of the habit acquired in his previous birth. Nay, even the seeker of yoga, in the form of even-mindedness, transcends the fruit of actions performed with some interested motive as laid down in the Vedas. Prayatnadhyadamana astu yogi samshuddha kilbisha anega janma samsiddha astado yadi param gadim. The yogi, however, who diligently takes up the practice, attains perfection in this very life, with the help of latencies of many births and being thoroughly purged of a sin, forthwith reaches the supreme state. Tabashibhyo adigo yogi jnanabhyobi madodiga karmibhyascha adigo yogi tasmadyogi bhavarjuna. The yogi is superior to the ascetics. He is regarded superior even to those versed in a sacred lore. The yogi is also superior to those who perform action with some interested motive. Therefore, Arjuna, you do become a yogi. Yoginam abhi sarvesham madgyadenandaratmana sadvavan bhajade yo mam sa me yukta Tamo mother of all yogis again, he who devotedly worships me with his mind focused on me is considered by me to be the best yogi. Om Tat Sadidi Srimad Bhagavad Gita Subanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Sri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Atma Samyama Yogo Nama Sashtodhyaya. Thus in the Upanishad sung by the Lord, the science of Brahma, the scripture of Yoga, the dialogue between Sri Krishna and Arjuna ends the 6th chapter entitled The Yoga of Self-Control. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata Ki Jai.